Come test drive the 2017 F-Pace. The first Jaguar luxury performance SUV brings together sporty handling and dramatic beauty with everyday practicality and efficiency, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, navigation system, overhead console. Your new ride is just a phone call away.